So, after a long but exciting football season, We Control Cool is back in action after a much needed break. And shout out to my mom, bro, for putting this vacation together for the family. But little did we know, Mother Nature would make this trip one that we would never forget. So basically, bro, our vacation quickly turned into being trapped in a blizzard, no way out, and an emergency evacuation. Yeah, bruh, the road closed, no way out. So after days of anticipation and nervousness, I-80 finally opened and we wiggled, bro, as fast as we could. So shout out to everybody that's rocking with We Control Cool. And now let's get into the video.
I-80, this is end of the line for people trying to travel through I-80 up into the mountains. It's closed from here all the way to the Nevada state line. We see Caltrans crews here manning this exit. What they're doing here is they will allow people who are local residents to come through. If they have proof of residence, they can show their ID and get to their homes. But as for the others who are in passenger cars or big rig trucks that want to get through, they will have to continue to wait. I-80 will remain closed here at Applegate, at least for the foreseeable future.
Just look at the high winds and heavy snow, making it difficult for even the birds, as you see there, to fly.
This highway is like the vein, you know? If you cut the vein, the food, everything, it doesn't arrive on time. So maybe they have to get better solution for this.
We found truck driver Ben Ali parked on the side of a road in Auburn. He's left with no choice as he awaits for I-80 to reopen.
We stay in the truck, we go buy food, coming back here. So there's 4 days lost already, and there's no solution.
Get out, baby. Do it, auntie, do it, auntie, do it, auntie.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame budek make me ma hotepe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. Bring the and if it do you no wrong, baby.
Hello, world. We Control Cool, man. You just touched down in Reno. We out here, man. Kai out here, man. Night out here, man. What's happening? So we just touched down out here, ladies and gentlemen, for my birthday. Yeah, give it up to me right now in the comments, man. Happy birthday, Keith, man. Drop a peace sign in the comments for me, man. Check this out, y'all. Check this out, y'all. The River Walk in Reno.
I threw snow at night, but
fun?
that was a bad idea.
You gonna get your shoes toe up. Night, quit throwing snow at everybody.
It's fun.
Shayla, what's happening?
You got me in the head.
You having a good time out here?
Why not?
Because.
Oh, we got a river.
Because. If you ever drove out to Reno in the snow, I advise you not to do it, bro. It took us 10 hours to get here, man. Got my nephew in the building, man.
Underscore.
Yeah, shout yourself out, man. What's the Instagram, man?
Devontae underscore.
Devontae underscore, man. Go tap in with him, man. You feel me? Kai, what's your TikTok? Devontae underscore, man. Go tap in with him, bro.
And you are the time of my life. Oh, my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah, you brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go make magic in the bedroom and I can't wait. Big move, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day owana odo ejinye la lo me. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever. Yeah, forever, I can't put it in words. No. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Yeah. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. You brought the days to my nights.
Kylie, come down from there.
What's that?
That's her. You didn't know that?
Oh, another one.
Yeah.
Who is that?
That's Kizzy. Kizzy,
No,
come on, man.
no, she's a basketball girl.
She a what?
He said I'm a basketball girl.
Huh?
Over there.
What'd he say?
She played basketball.
Oh, you nervous now? Huh?
Ooh, Marvel!
Exactly.
This is D. We are right here. So where do we get to D? How do we get to D? So I'm assuming this is C.
That way.
So this way. Come on, guys.
This way. Come on, y'all. Hey, y'all gotta be good, bruh. Y'all gotta be good when y'all with me, all right?
What's up, guys? We
Yeah, dude,
have
hey.
a vlog.
The name of the channel is We Control Cool, all right?
We're in the middle.
You know what We Control Cool stands for? It stands for you control what's cool. You don't have to follow behind nobody. You do what's cool. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be an astronaut, if you want to be a doctor, you do it. You feel me? Uh-oh.
Your kids can not get off the stand.
That's dope. Nice.
He's following.
Like, get your ass off there.
He's following behind me. He's
That's
following behind
dope.
me. He's following behind me.
Why?
He's following behind me.
Oh, look. See?
Oh, there goes Kylie.
Oh no!
There goes Kai. Kai, get your... Kai, get your ass off there. Get your ass off there, you feel me? You know what I'm saying?
Kizzy.
Huh?
The golf one was Kizzy.
The golfing was Kizzy. Kizzy, you the golfer. You know what I'm saying? Tell him we over here by Liz. Best store in the world right there, y'all.
I'm gonna get a hat from there.
That's the best store in the world, John.
Can I get a hat from there?
That's the best store in the world.
Can I get a hat from there?
Well, what's your favorite team?
The Raiders.
Oh, okay. How long you been a Raider fan? Huh?
A year.
The boy knows what he's talking about, Raiders. Oh, that's dope. What's up, bro?
I don't think here. We do at the mall, over by like the other mall. But
The van store, man. Right now in the comments, man, let me know what's your favorite vans, man. I like the classics, you feel me? I like these.
Oh, this is cool shoes.
Classic.
You
Favorite
like
band.
the
Classic.
classics, huh? What's your
Classics.
favorite ones? The classics?
Classics.
Cause it,
Kizzy,
Classics
I mean
go
Kizzy.
crazy.
Shayla, what's your favorite van?
I'm not really into them.
You're not really into them. Then what are you doing in here?
what are
Those buzz.
See, I like these, y'all. You know what I mean? But not that color. You know what I'm talking about?
Nah, bro, you also.
Yeah. You don't like those? Why not?
Pink.
Huh?
They're pink.
Them dope. Much better though with the chains off, huh? Much better. People, we ride down the street. We ride down the street, people laughing at us and everything. I said, yeah, we got to get that up.
We're going around me.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all, we so nervous with the snow, man. We riding around town still with the chains on. You feel me? What? What? Which one?
This one buzz though.
What are those?
This one buzz.
You like those, bro? You tripping.
What's for the views?
You tripping.
It's for the views.
Okay, I see you drip guard, huh? Can I get your autograph?
yeah,
Huh?
You want to?
you buying it?
You can get to.
All right, if he don't get two, then what's gonna happen?
You can get the other pair.
It's a wobbler. It's a wobbler. Big dog. All right, now where can I pick from? All right, B.
Yes.
So help me find a pair in the clearance. Shayla gonna get it for me for my birthday because she buy one and get the other one for 70% off. You feel me?
So you're back here, men's size.
No, it has to be an orange stick. Oh.
I know, but the men's size is small.
This is kids.
Right here, when you look, kids 3, 4, on the side 6.
Y'all see that, man? It's my birthday. So my sister about to bless me right now, but they gotta be on sale though.
Right here.
Right now in the comments, man. Y'all help me out, man. Which one should I get? Which one should I get, y'all?
Slide.
Funny. All right, y'all. So check it out. These the ones I'm gonna go with. You feel me? I've been feeling the ground lately, huh?
Those is clean.
You busting in? Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, these would have went crazy in the snow.
I'm just gonna
nasty.
I'm just gonna say
Nobody be lucky I don't go to the snow all the time.
or what?
Hey, the girls had these for sure.
Y'all ready to go?
I thought you played football. I thought you played football. They cheap.
Who told you they got them over there?
Tiki and she got some right now.
Ask her how much they cost. What you gonna listen to them on?
My tablet.
All right, I'll buy them for you.
Go to Five Below.
Where Five Below at?
I'll show you.
All right, when we leave here, I'm buying for you, all right? But you better be good in school and stuff, and the rest of the trip.
Huh?
And the rest of the trip.
I am. Shout out We Control Cool. Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna come for you. So we go back to Five Below?
Yeah.
We need 100 likes. 2,000 likes.
Tell me what?
I done spent time with my grandkids.
You got your candy.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you about to get cussed out.
Yeah, you did.
You forgot your
About
candy.
them. On camera, girl?
Yeah, you gonna say on camera.
On camera.
Okay.
Man.
Right now in the
camera.
comments, drop a W.
And don't go home and edit it either.
I hope people from
Don't edit it out.
Yeah.
I hope people
Put down on the comments. Should grandma be able to spend time?
Hey, but look, y'all. Look, y'all. It's a wobbler, right? Because
No wobbler.
I just don't send my kids out like that. I don't know. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
You're gonna have to start doing it.
You know.
So, hot topic.
I don't mean no harm by it. It's just, you feel me? I just never done it. I don't mean no harm by it.
I'm
Five Below this way out there.
I just keep mine.
I don't know what to say.
I just keep mine closed. I don't mean no harm by it, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Write in the comments. Who should think?
In the comments right now. Am I wrong?
Right now.
Right now in the comments, let me know. Am I wrong because I don't send my kids off? I just
Not
keep
wrong
them
for
closed.
not sending the kids off. Wrong for sending them off with their grandma.
That could be wrong.
Put it in the comments.
That could be wrong. I'm wrong for that. You know what I'm saying?
I don't get them either.
Hey, but 2023 is all about growth. You know what I'm talking about?
But me and Sarah, we plotted. Still plotted. To steal them.
Hey, we gonna try to say.
Right?
I got them chipped. I got them chipped. Y'all ain't gonna get that far.
Right. They will come.
I got them chipped. Y'all ain't gonna get that far. Hey, hold on. I told little bro I was gonna get him the AirPod. Let's go real quick. Let me see my wallet.
Casino night tonight.
Oh, is it?
Oh, for sure.
Y'all hear that? It's casino night tonight. You feel
Casino
me?
night tonight.
You know what I'm saying?
Peace
Hey,
time.
look, hey, and we deserve it, man, because it took us 10 hours to get here. We walked to Vegas. I mean, we walked to Reno. You know what I'm saying?
You're going the wrong way.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Yeah, 30 miles an hour all the way to Reno.
Cameraman. Hi, guys.
30 miles an hour all the way to Reno, man. Told little bro I was going to get him the AirPods from Five Below, you feel me?
Five Below. Been out all night. I was sleeping on the floor.
You know what I'm saying? Take care of the young life, man. You know, because you never know one move could change.
The whole life.
Yeah, you know, you gotta take care of the young life, man, because you never know, man. You showing them that you can care, it could be big, bro. You feel me?
It could be life changing.
It could be life changing, right? You know what I'm saying? So we control cool, man. That's what we do, man. If it ain't enough, I got the rest. Okay? Don't worry about nothing.
She gave me some
What's
money
up?
for me too.
Huh?
She gave me money for me too.
For your earbud,
I'm not
right?
getting AirPods.
What you getting? You already know what you're getting?
Yeah.
Come on, it's for him. Nah, we just did all that talking about doing good for people, and then you get in here.
Yeah,
and
you don't do good for me.
Oh,
Explain that.
how much is that
$5.
Like $5.
for each book?
Yes.
So that's all you can get.
10.
So you got $12 to spend. But well, first off though, where'd you get those books from? Yeah.
I got them over there.
Let's put them back.
No, these
okay?
bus. I'm gonna need this for my gym center.
But you gotta hurry up though, cause they waiting on us. You like those? Yeah. Let me see. Right now in the comments, y'all. Right now in the comments, man. Y'all like these? Y'all rock it with them?
Yo, can I get the dark video?
You gonna use them, right? All right, don't break them, bro. Like, this ain't about you right now. You just got Vans. Chill. Nice being greedy, y'all.
I didn't get no game.
Nice being greedy, y'all. Nah, you just got your stuff, bro. And already you asked for some more stuff.
No.
Not cool. I think you should get the book.
The books?
One of them. If you like reading, it's always good to get a book, right?
This bus.
So I say get that and then get one book.
Okay.
Feel me?
5, that's $10.
Yeah, that's it. That's everything. Let's go. Now you good.
I don't know if that's all I want.
That's all the money you got for it, though.
I know.
So let's go. All right, y'all. It's been exciting.
Now we're off to Circus Circus.
Off to Circus Circus?
Yeah.
That's what they said?
Yep, meet Sophia.
Okay. Me, Sophia, right there. Yeah. Y'all happy?
Yeah. We control cool.
Hello. All right, y'all. Look, it's been an exciting day. We had a snowball fight. We up here at the outlets with family, man. It's all love. Real quick, man. We almost to 1,000 subscribers, man. Smash that subscribe button and hit that like button, man, if you enjoyed the content. We on our way, y'all. You feel me? So excited, man. So blessed for this next chapter that's coming, man. Once we monetize, man. Once we get monetized, man, we going all the way up, bro. You feel me? But this week Control Cool, man. Checking out with another video. And always remember, bro, cool is you being you. Go.